my bike check. Where my bike thing. Run Fiend Team Bears 8.5 Rise. FBM double fister grips. Animal jump off remix stem. Animal headset. Fit Shift 2 forks. Stupid cars. Fit FAF 2.25 tires. Stock wheel off an old bike. Animal light peg. Scavenger tunnel frame. Stock cranks off an old bike. Black Label bottom bracket. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. 2.25 Fit FAF in the back. With a Prima rim laced to a Federal Free coaster. Animal light peg. On the other side. A KMC chain. And a premium sprocket. And that's my bike check.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all of my money and don't give a shit. I'm on the floor.